Hi guys, good morning everyone. We're finally leaving for UK. And Nadia is driving us in this really huge car. And this is Po, by the way. Po, say hello. Hello. See, that's our luggages, like 1, 2, 3, and there's a small luggage. And this is our cabin luggage. Yeah, so we're all set. Bye guys! Don't forget us! Yes! Bye, time to go. Bye luggages, see you in UK. Hi guys, so we're back here again and can't believe we're finally doing it guys. And we had to pay an exorbitant amount for the excess baggage just now because of the 12 kg. So it's about 225 ringgit per kg. And we're in gate C. If you're in KLIA 1, you realize gate C is the nicer gate because you get to sit on the aero train. Okay, right. Believe it or not guys, but KLIA 1 used to be one of the best airports in the world. It's not difficult to understand why. Inside this airport there is an actual rainforest. There's also a lot of shops to go around. And the infrastructure is very modern and the aero train is amazing. Everything that you want in an airport. And we're in the gate. Everything was so smooth, like the check-in process, the security. Feeling a bit bittersweet because can't believe it's finally happening. Excited about it, but at the same time feel kind of sad because we're leaving this place for good, in a way. Are you excited?
Yep.
Oh, she's excited. Yeah, I'm still trying to come to grips with reality at the moment. So yeah, see you in the flight. Hello. Hi. So this is the A380, so the flight is well equipped with all the new fittings like new instruments and new controllers, etc. And the legroom is superb. I can just straighten my legs completely without any issues. There's even a monitor that shows the actual takeoff. So yeah, you get a good view of the entire skyline. Time for the first meal. We opted for the fish and potatoes. It was really good. The fish was not dry. The condiments that come with it is all really tasty. And the dessert is amazing. After everyone went to sleep, I decided to go to the back of the plane to check out what's there. And I found a place for you to pray, as well as the staircase to the second floor. But unfortunately, the access to the second floor itself is actually blocked. Good morning everyone. So we slept the entire way yesterday. A good sleep, and we're on the A380, so there's a lot of legroom. You can just stretch, and when you lean back, it's actually, the angle is quite low. Yeah, good sleep. And there's also one thing about A380 is there's a lot of like toilets around. The toilets are always vacant in a way because there's just so many of them. And there's even a prayer place for you to pray. So that's really cool because it's a bigger flight. Right now we're hovering above Germany, so we're gonna land shortly. So yeah, see you when we land. We've arrived! I see you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And then also quality and accent.
Hey guys, so welcome to Heathrow Airport. It was really quick for us to pass through like border control and also customs. And the funny thing is, when you go through the green lane, the nothing to declare lane, somehow there's no custom officers there at all. You just walk past. And that's something that is still surprising to me. She was like telling me, yeah, it's okay, you can bring anything you want. I'm like, no, there should be, I might get taxed, but apparently no. Yeah, so this is the airport. Ta-da-da-da. Yep, okay. Now we're gonna get Uber. Get ready for the astronomical price for Uber.
It says that if you have 3 pieces of large luggage, then Uber XL.
Yeah, and then okay, we're gonna get Uber XL, and it's apparently, how much is that?
37 to 45 pounds.
Oh my, that's about like 250 ringgit. It's so expensive, but it's okay, one time. Our gazillion luggages, and we are at the passenger waiting area in level 1 for the private hire. This is where you wait for your Uber. So we arrived. This is our home for the next 1 month before we look for a more permanent residence. Can't wait to check out the place.
Later.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content. I know some of you asked us to take Etihad and all that, but we felt that the Malaysia Airlines route is a lot more convenient because there's no transit, and we hate transits anyway. So Amalia is happy. Yeah, see, she's happy. I'm happy. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And yes, don't forget me.